Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Soul connection, be like. 1. We finish each other's snacks. Reason, great minds and hungry stomachs think alike. 2. We laugh before the joke is finished. Reason, you're already on the same wavelength. 3. One look says 1,000 words. Reason, sometimes silence is the best conversation. 4. You remember the little things. Reason, tiny details show big care. 5. We cheer each other on. Reason, support makes every victory sweeter. 6. Our conversations never feel forced. Reason, comfort comes naturally. 7. We can be goofy together. Reason, laughter builds happy memories. 6. We respect each other's differences. Reason, kindness is stronger than agreement. 9. We celebrate every little win. Reason, every step forward deserves a smile. 10. We can sit quietly and still enjoy the moment. Reason, peace is a good company. 11. You always know how to brighten my day. Reason, encouragement gives a long way. 12. We never run out of stories. Reason, every chat becomes an adventure. 13. We remind each other to stay positive. Reason, optimism is contagious. 14. You believe in me when I doubt myself. Reason, confidence grows with support. 15. We make ordinary moments unforgettable. Reason, it's the company that matters. 16. Our inside jokes deserves their own comedy show. Reason, shared humor brings people closer. 17. We listen without interrupting. Reason, everyone wants to feel heard. 18. We enjoy learning from each other. Reason, growth is better together. 19. We encourage each other's dreams. Reason, big goals need great supporters. 20. We forgive tiny mistakes. Reason, nobody is perfect. 21. We celebrate kindness. Reason, kind hearts leave lasting impressions. 22. We can laugh at our own bloopers. Reason, life is more fun with humor. 23. We always find something to appreciate. Reason, gratitude strengthens relationships. 24. We bring out each other's best. Reason, positive influence matters. 25. We enjoy simple adventures. Reason, happiness doesn't have to be expensive. 26. We always make time for each other. Reason, time is a meaningful gift. 27. We celebrate our progress, not perfection. Reason, every improvement counts. 28. We keep each other smiling. Reason, smiles are contagious. 29. We stay respectful even when we disagree. Reason, respect builds lasting trust. 30. Together, life feels a little brighter. Reason, genuine connection adds gladness to everyday moment. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.